Yeah, this is how to prepare. Yeah, you prepare first of all, you burn the wheel, the disc. Then after that you are going to weld after it's very hot, so that it can be welded very nice. This is a jembe, you see that. And this is how everything is. This is your boy BM Africa, welding here in the forest. Yeah, after I told my friend that I'm a welder, and he decided to help, to bring some materials and everything so that we can start welding the jembes and a lot of I'm going to fabricate gates also, and my carrots are there. See, wow. Eh, nini yo ya gas? Ah, gas hakuna, nachoma na hack welding. Ndio maana unaona nachoma hivyo. Sawa. Nomad fabricator engineer. Yeah, we are doing this because we don't have the gas, so that we can heat the disc before we weld. So this is a local way of heating the disc before you start welding. You see now. Yeah, so very soon we start to weld this disc because it has a lot of cracks. Yeah. Umepeleka ng'ombe? Mimi niko hapa, nitakuja baadaye niangalie. Nitakuja baadaye kuangalia ng'ombe. Wacha nitengeneze hii kitu ya hii rafiki yetu. So you start welding after hitting the the plate. Yeah, before you continue. So this is how my welding is. Let's just look at it. Yeah, we are just trying to do some arc welding here. This is how everything is. Let's try it, man.